Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Acura MDX versus VW Atlas. We'll dive into what makes each of these three-row SUVs stand out, helping you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. The MDX brings luxury and performance, while the Atlas focuses on spaciousness and family utility. Let's explore their key differences and see which one might be your next vehicle. When it comes to performance, the Acura MDX typically offers a more powerful engine, often a V6, providing quicker acceleration and a sportier feel. Its advanced all-wheel drive system enhances handling. The Volkswagen Atlas, on the other hand, usually features a turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering solid power for daily driving and good fuel efficiency. It prioritizes a comfortable and stable ride, perfect for long family trips. Inside, the Acura MDX truly shines with its luxurious cabin, featuring high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and a sophisticated infotainment system. It often includes advanced driver assistance features as standard. The Volkswagen Atlas, while less opulent, excels in practicality, offering impressive passenger and cargo space across all three rows. Its straightforward controls and user-friendly technology make it a great choice for families. Ultimately, your choice between the Acura MDX and the Volkswagen Atlas depends on your priorities. If you seek a luxurious driving experience with strong performance and premium features, the MDX is an excellent option. If spaciousness, family utility, and a more accessible price point are key, the Atlas is a fantastic contender. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Both are strong choices in the three-row SUV segment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.